what up, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Bray Shira's looking for a frozen if it's nice. Stay with it, you already know what time it is, man. We're live on KKFM, hashtag Fu Gandota. As you've read by the thumbnail, the title of the video, you already know what's going on, man. This is the second episode of the Youth Experience Podcast. We bring you nothing but the newest flavor, everything new, you understand? It's not necessarily new, but you know what I'm saying, it's new on this side, you understand what I'm saying? So yeah, man, obviously I'm not out here alone, I'm out here with, introduce yourself, man.
The one and only, the one and only, the one and only. Biggie Machiavelli this side. Young Tall and Jaya.
Yeah.
Yeah. The makeup artist, the influencer. Yeah.
You name them. Okay.
Memorable.
Okay, so I got a couple of questions lined up for you. You understand what I'm saying? We're gonna have fun today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. The first question would be
More than the word.
okay,
Sure.
Yeah. The first question would be who do you identify as? You know, there's people who identify in different ways. So
Okay.
who do you like being addressed as? Interesting. Who do you like being addressed as?
Based on my sexuality or
Yeah. Like I get it, some people they say they identify as what is that?
As a
They-
transgender.
Days or him, she, what
Oh,
is
they,
that?
it's they.
Yeah, it's they and what,
They,
and
them,
what else?
they, them.
They, them, or
Yeah.
whatever. Who do you identify as? Who do you like being addressed as?
as
Yeah.
on my sexuality
Yeah,
or
yeah,
my
yeah,
gender.
Like I get it. You
Okay.
prefer. It's like it's about how you feel
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
how you would like to be approached. You understand?
I
Or do you just identify as him straight? Or
I get you now. Well, quite to be honest with you, I prefer to be known as a cross-dresser bottom gay.
Mm.
Yeah.
hey, can you please elaborate on that? Yo, it's my first time hearing that one.
It's very
Which one
difficult.
is that one? Nah.
It's not even in a dictionary.
So
Cross-dresser
yeah.
igay leli elilokhu kanjena ke elimixa impahla zamajita nempahla zamogirl.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it depends
But
on
in
how
a
you
cool
feeling.
way.
It depends on how you feeling. What
Yeah.
if you saying on a cool way? What do you mean? Like explain more.
The way usho ngakhona
Yeah.
ilokhanje fashion.
Yeah.
Novuyile ngelanga lakhona nayo izokutshela ukuthi ya namhlanje ya ngifuna crop top namhlanje.
I crop top. Yeah.
Angifuna crop top ngizimbatha.
Crop top ne brand hood. What? Yeah. Okay. So it depends on your mood. It depends on your
depends
mood.
on my mood.
Okay. Which side would you say you like more? Like in terms of like dressing, would you say you like to dress more like a guy or more like a woman?
Back then I used to be girly.
Or too girly?
Yeah, too
Yeah,
girly.
yeah.
But then now, I'm into masculinity. Yeah. I'm in
Oh,
the
what
process
changed
of
that?
masculinity.
What changed that?
Ever since I came back from initiation school. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Came back different, ne?
Yeah,
Okay,
that really scrutinized me in
Nah.
a very
Nah.
hard way.
In a
Yeah.
hard way, ne?
Yeah.
Ish. Okay. That's the topic for another day,
But then I
man.
can't run away from my real gender. That's how it is, bro.
That's how it is, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you feel much more comfortable in.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the second question is, if you were president for a day, what would you do? Like you have all the rights. You are president for a day.
For
Interesting.
a day.
Yeah. You can do anything.
There's a lot that I can do.
Yeah.
But then let me mention some few.
Yeah.
I could say I could do community property.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, especially in my hood.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have water.
Mhm.
Ever since we came to that place, we don't have water. We don't have
Do you guys like stand up for that? Do you
we
like?
don't have water, unemployment,
Mm.
and it's not cool, especially for the youngsters.
Yeah.
Don't have work.
Work.
So
yeah.
I would definitely promote them to work on something and just to get the bag.
Okay. You
Yeah.
had it at home. Get that back.
Yeah, not by words, by actions.
By actions. Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, so you would you'd provide opportunities for the youth.
Yeah.
And develop your community.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Throughout the entrepreneurship.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'd like to know: are you dating, or you're single, or what's going on? What's what?
Are you ready
What's
to
what now?
mingle?
Come on now. What's what now?
Yo, I wanted this one.
Yeah.
You
Wanna know?
Joe.
Yeah, maybe there's a potential what watching there if you are single.
My baby. ngiyakhipha namhlanje.
Name drop.
Ayo.
Keep my files lapho.
Aliphume leka.
Yeah,
I
alphume
mean
leka.
I mean this closet relationship.
Say keep namhlanje.
Keep.
Yeah.
Some keep.
No.
I mean a closet relationship with this guy called Flexi the MC.
Who's that?
Flexi
the MC.
We see you.
Yeah.
Miss Rana,
We see you.
We see
How
you.
long have you guys been kicking it? You understand? And why are you guys hiding? Kanya, hey, Flexi.
We see you.
Yaphuma.
Sakukula manje.
Okay, because Mnasna is Sibelis we had an agreement with I want to introduce him to my family. Yeah.
It's serious, Mus.
Yeah, but then we never met. Yeah, we never met.
Hey.
Oh.
man.
I'm being for real.
How long have you guys been like talking?
Almost a month.
You. Is he in America? What?
Yeah, he's in America.
Flexi. Sounds like a guy who's around.
Yeah, he sounds like he's around.
Okay,
the
what
corner.
is it about him that you like and would say you want to introduce him to the family, you know?
Yeah, he's very patient with me. Yeah, he's very patient with me. He knows my struggles. He knows my downfalls. He knows everything about me.
In a month.
Yeah,
You guys are cooking, Mus.
yeah, I'm still cooking.
Nah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah,
good to wait, bro.
It's good to
very-
wait.
yeah.
Okay, who did the approaching?
Yo, we both did.
Nah, it's you.
Aye,
I can
it's
see
you.
that.
No, we both did, but throughout the comments.
Oh, it
Yeah,
started
on
as a
Facebook.
okay.
Sure.
Oh.
Yeah, it started there. Yeah, we could comment, but then naifika very hlizweni. Naiklika ayinakuthi njani.
Mara, who did the first comment?
Yeah.
We want that one.
Yeah, I wanna-
Obvious.
Flex.
Obvious.
You.
Yeah, I'm the one.
You are.
You're dangerous.
Uyabona ukuthi umtshita yayi na vele usiphethe crane and uyaphana.
Nah.
Sure.
Okay. So okay. Since you like in a relationship, right? So
Yeah.
how can you tell?
In about to
How-
be in a relationship.
Okay,
So,
okay. Let's say you are in a relationship. Like,
Yeah.
how do you tell when someone is cheating? With yeah, you are cheating, man. How do you like? What are the signs?
The signs. The
Yeah.
signs. You. How he approached your friends.
How so?
How he feels around your friends.
You can
Yeah.
tell, you can tell it.
How he feels around your friends. Because sometimes, like, I could meet your friend
Yeah.
and not knowing with him already like very the intimacy le. Yeah. My eye contact.
Okay.
And I'll be like, yo. But sometimes phela ithando lakuhlola lakhona ukuthi yo wena
Just to
yeah,
understand
visit
and check
and
you.
move and ithanda ukuthi vele le onayo.
Yeah.
Akusingiyo.
Akusingiyo, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mara,
Okay.
and also when they're cheating, they become more distant, ne?
Yeah.
Pardon?
When they're cheating, they become more distant, ne?
Yeah.
Abasabi that close.
Yeah, it changes. It
yeah.
changes. Yeah, even the text, you see, they used to put 3 emojis, now they put 1. You understand?
Or nothing at all.
Yeah, nothing at all. You see,
No longer 5 emojis.
yeah,
Everything
see,
is just dry now.
iloguzana siyabande erumini iloguzana. Yeah.
I saw they said to see who 10
Ngiyababisa ne.
Sim 1. Baleka ku sim 1.
Yeah, now we're talking about that. So
Mara usitshela ukuthi stop siku 6 musa.
yeah. How
Kanjani?
how can you tell? They tell you or you can feel it. Good. Today. Yeah. Mohleli phasi masuku mistulo siyashisa already. How can you
into nje in the end nje ubone naye ukuthi yabona nje yeah.
yajuluma?
See
Okay.
they ain't going to do this to me.
Oh, okay.
So
Since we're there, ne, I saw some people commenting on Facebook. So you know when you go through comments,
yeah.
some people commented with how do you know what one of your people is turned on, manj? How do you know what you're turned on?
Very interesting. Yeah.
How do I know?
Yeah,
How
like
can
now
you
I'm turned on. I want to do this now.
Yeah. How do you see them?
I want to pangano now. What
Now
do you
it's ready.
Guys, man, mnandi yabonakala. Okay.
Okay. Now let's put it on a test. Out of all of them, who would you say is nice here? Yeah, would you say nice? Yeah.
I think Tony begroet my
Oh,
but
hey!
then tall tag and
Oh,
man.
All right.
Wait, I think a chest.
Oh, yeah, it's just a compliment. It's just
Yeah,
a compliment.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. You can tell. Good to know this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever came across a situation where you find someone interesting, but then when it comes to that department, you're like, hey, I'm very disappointed now. They didn't do what you expected them to do.
Joe.
It happens, ne?
It's a lot.
Ne?
There was this other time. No more umchita khona lapha emakastana we were sex partners.
Ngibamba fire skip mention
sex
lapho.
partners umchita.
Mention lapho.
We were sex partners but then umchita hayi uyachafula. Mara ka reach level le 1 minute ngathi hayi wena ndoda hayi ubhekela wena.
Okay. How long do you want it to be, kanti?
ungangijikise emnyango ngenisa ngaphakathi, let me be within bro.
Vula masango ngingene.
How?
Okay. Yeah.
Ngoba nampela ngikupha the big apple ngithatha
Hey!
wena ubeka lana.
Bakupha lokho iapple. Hey. All right. Very interesting.
Sure.
Okay, so the next question is, would you date someone who has more money than you? And if not, why? If yes, why? Like, would you date someone who onemali okudlula wena?
Yo, I don't mind ukudate umuntu onemali.
Yeah.
Ne? But then my worry.
Yeah. What's the worry now?
Angithandi ukuthi umuntu like especially umjide when it comes to relationship angibhekele. Yeah, mina ngifuna ukuzibhekela mina. Yeah, ngifuna ukuzibhekela mina.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, you wouldn't date someone who has more money than you?
I don't mind, like I've said.
Ne?
Yeah, I don't mind. But then imali yakhe makenze like izinto zakhe. Ngoba nowadays asisapheja bathi siyapejana ekubeni assistana. Yeah.
Okay, can you elaborate more on that? Like, what do you mean by that?
Yo. Uzoyithenga everything, cabang? Uzoyithenga.
Yeah? What do you mean?
Uzothenga yonke into, uzoyithenga yonke into.
What do you mean by that?
From la until middle until gale.
What are you buying?
Hey, what are you buying?
What are you buying?
Obvious, this is the
Ilokuza.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Mayengaziwa ngesifana nalezo, yeah, but then
How?
So yeah, the next question would be, how do you identify someone who's part of the LGBTQ community but denial? Yabona lo muntu ukuthi is part of the community but
yeah.
Uyaphika. How do you identify someone like that?
Yo.
Mbona, what are the signs?
Signs.
Yeah.
Especially with LGBTQI, yo baningi abantu baku-closet ne.
Okay, there's LGBTQI.
Yeah.
Okay, can you describe those things before? Understand? Yeah. Please
Okay.
educate us. We are interested.
Oh, LGBTQI. Let me
Yeah.
teach you about the rainbow
Yeah.
flag.
Yeah.
LGBTQI L stands for.
How?
My producer, step back.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
L stands for lesbian. G stands for gays. G LGB
Yeah.
bisexuals. T tops. I'm a tops.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
But isn't the
Gally.
T for transgender?
T.
Yeah.
Tops and transgender. Yeah, you are right.
Oh.
Yo, wait.
No, too much. Yeah, I know. First sign. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
T,
yeah.
Okay. LGBTQ. Q for.
The ancestor Maruku angazi to million. Yo, I still need to speculate.
Q for Kanda. Okay, Q for what? What is it for?
I plus. Imagine.
Bro, what is the plus for? Etc. and etc.
Yeah. Meaning the others.
Okay, so how do you identify someone that
Yeah,
is
yeah.
like in denial? You understand? They deny that they are part of it, but what would be the signs that?
Signs.
Yeah.
You.
We are big guy no matter what. You know. Hey, when
Yeah.
You're hiding something.
Firstly, voice. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, uzoyizi tone ukuthi yabona le.
Uzozikhohlwa.
Yeah, uzozikhohla lahla side.
Ne.
Vele ubone nje.
Yeah, good. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uthi uyabonakala nange walk funny one.
Okay, but now I'm confused because there are those
Yeah.
ones who dress, look like men, they talk like men, everything. But you understand they like guys. So I'm confused.
Yeah,
There are those.
The closet.
Oh,
Yeah.
deep.
Yeah.
And most of them are married.
Deep.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Yeah, where of you?
A straight guy can date a straight guy.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
you guys are not straight.
No, you're not straight.
Straight. That's my point again. There's no, in my own ways,
Okay.
there's no straight
Okay,
guy.
so what? Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I said. There's no straight
Ah.
guy.
Hey, are you hearing that?
There's no
They're
straight
saying
guy.
There's no straight guy.
There's no
What do you mean
guy.
by that? What do you mean by that?
If I touch you,
Eh.
somewhere else, you could take indulge. No. I'm just saying.
Okay,
There's no
how?
straight guy.
Okay, what do you mean? Can you elaborate more on when you're saying there's no straight guy? Like,
Obviously, amachitaba easily tempted. Like I've said, for instance, ngimbamba ngaphambili bese there. Obviously, so indulge.
yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you saying
How they walk,
yeah,
how they talk, their
walk
tone.
talk, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Basically, the dress code. Would you wear look at the crop top yamachiti? Very and crop top yamachiti.
Me, I like fashion, but
Okay.
I
Yeah.
think there are those ones specific, not stomach out. So
Yeah.
there are those ones who normally, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Not, you understand?
Yeah, pay it in mind. Yeah, as from today with the crop top ones. They
Okay,
fall
what
under
do you, the crop
flag.
top like that versus the spawn? Oh.
No, just the pegs.
No. Okay.
But it gone, yamachita.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me ask something.
No. Just buy me Hennes, I'll be fine. Yeah. What's the
Okay.
question there?
Like,
I wanted to ask Uti, what do you love most about being part of the community?
Interesting.
Oh, what do I love the most
Yeah.
in my community?
Yeah.
Yo, sehilana too much in iloka nhliziyo.
yeah.
And for me nesayithini lami it's difficult ukuthi ngiphile nawo. Yeah,
Why not?
lately nje, but then
Why?
bona grand, but
Why?
especially for gay people. I mean, I prefer lesbians, than gays.
Okay.
Mm.
What's the reason for that?
I mean, I'm an open person, so I will tell you everything. Where I'll be transparent, but then they tend to speak with the things that I've told them.
Oh, okay. They use them against you.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys are fake. See now.
You
see now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it never
Let's step out a little bit. Do you still have a question?
Nah, you can ask.
Okay, let's step out a little bit. You understand us? So, describe your heartbreak, your first heartbreak. No, this one I didn't eat for the whole week.
Yeah, I'm cheating.
Yeah, how was the heartbreak? How did it feel?
Yo, yankawate too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, back then there was this other guy, uhlala phela emkopeni, but then I won't mention his name.
Might as well. He broke your heart.
It's past. How?
Yeah.
It's past.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Omunye umjidela phela emkopeni. Senzo uyasipana grand. Yeah, go right.
Yeah.
Sense.
Yeah.
Basipana grand right back then. Ukuthi wenzakaleni suddenly I mnangazi nami.
Wile, ne?
Yeah, vele. Zero.
Yeah.
And later ke nami vele ngezwa ama rumors ukuthi yay.
What?
Run Simba and never look back. I don't know. I mean, I didn't say anything. Exactly, 3 words.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's tough.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I didn't say anything.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
but-
So describe the heartbreak. Like, how did it feel like? And
umchita bekalo kanjani bekangifuna through umngane momunye we-gay. So but then mina bengekho lapha engqondweni zokuthi hayi mhlambe bayazishaya yabo. So I found out
it's Senzo 3.
ayekho straight, bisexual.
Oh.
Yeah.
Greedy.
Agreed. Ifuna yonke. Yeah.
Yebo,
Yeah.
bisexual. So bekafuna mina
Yeah.
through umngani wami.
Yeah.
And umngani wami loya vele bathi vele bazitshaya ngathi ma sex partners. Yeah, sahlala mina sinaye. Yeah, but then relationship bengekho solid, some my sex partners we ended up like one of my feelings.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm the one who catch up first. Yeah.
Weak, ne? Yeah, we kushaya isenzo.
Uyiplumber
Yeah,
senzo.
evuthele isenzo. Yeah.
Yeah. So thereafter I had to let things go.
Okay, so how did you deal with it, and what because mostly a lot of people, they say maybe some of them they don't eat for a week.
Yeah.
You understand how you
Yo, Joe. Being grand. But then deep inside I wasn't good at all. Because now very sangilandelena. Na noma nje ayazilo nje. Joe, wathi wangena bheni kanti ngendlini. Lesikhathi lesongifasile. Ngifasile umahlangu uyaphuma lapha sesiyavuka sinomjida kuyakokota. Umjida ubhudana nendlu. Hello.
Manje ubereke njani?
how did you work that out?
Yo, what a disgrace. Thola ngemva ke toilet cawaka. Ujamile uzokokota erumini ufuna ichafula. Ye wena.
Bekawomile usenzo. Yo. Okay. Yeah.
It's a long story. Each and every day nangehlela down ngiyofuna
Iloguz. Yeah.
stuff ukuthi ngibe in heaven.
Yeah. Heaven on earth.
I vele wabona ukuthi halimus ikulokanje.
Okay, some would say they don't eat for like a week or something. Me, when my heartbreak hit me, I stopped socializing. Boy, you understand?
Yeah.
It was a home.
There was a point where I thought you were gonna leave us, my brother.
Yeah. I'm telling. Hey, it was tough. So like we deal with it like in a different way. So how did you deal with it? And some would like me, I stopped socializing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole December was home.
I mean, I give a person a space because I'm now my ex. I'm my ex.
I paid.
I paid.
Yeah.
Yeah, my paid, baby. Amadoda paid. Amadoda paid. Yeah, amadoda paid.
Yeah. Bayapumula. Okay, so now we're gonna make it a little bit much more interesting. You understand? So we got a little bit. We got a game yana for you now.
Sure.
So special pass. We got first thing we got Dali Wonga or Kespanya Vest, and why? Who would you smash and who wouldn't you smash between Dali Wonga and Kespanya Vest?
House mate Casper.
Yeah. Captain Jeb. Yeah.
I love
Yeah.
the puffy ones.
Yeah.
Sigh. Yeah.
Oh, you like him, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it about him? Is it because he's like Buffy or
Mina ngithanda lezi vele angithola 7.
yeah?
Yeah, ngithanda madlantara.
What is that? What is that now?
Makwapeni.
Casper's weapon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amakwapeni, ngithanda amakwapeni.
Okay, now we got second one, Prince KB or Oscar Mbo.
Yeah.
Sure. Prince KB, obvious.
Is it because of that video?
Obvious.
Okay,
No masculinity. Stiniwe phela mikhaba. Yo, kade sibambelela.
But Oscar Mbo doesn't and a lot of girls like him. You understand? A lot of people like Oscar Mbo. So
Yeah, yena ngiyamthanda, like I admire ilo kanjani dress code yakhe and whatsoever.
But you
Cleanliness.
prefer Prince KB, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like his attitude though.
Who? Oscar Mbo.
Oscar Mbo.
Okay, what is it about his attitude?
Yo, you can see it from far. Nje ukuthi no, this guy he's too reserved. Yeah, from towards his friends. Yeah.
Okay, Limek Crazy or Scott Mapuma?
Yo, Limeke.
Ne?
Yeah,
Ne?
Limeke.
Okay. Why Limek?
Limeke uyambona ukuthi ayilay out yasemakasana le.
Ufuna lezo.
Yeah, he's free.
Yeah. Nande ngwazana, ne?
Yeah. Uyabona wena nje
Okay.
That's crazy.
Okay, so like the next question
Scott for me nah.
Yeah. What about Scott?
Yo, Scott. Yo, he must come back, man.
Ne?
He needs to come back.
Yeah.
Yo, I didn't like it, Joe. I didn't like it, but then I'm salute too much.
In what way? So, because he was involved in a situation. I think people were trying to cancel him because of his attitude. So, what would you say about that?
I understand the attitude there, Kenny.
Yeah.
But then he was supposed to take pictures.
Nah.
Even though ungekho kuleyo mood, just
Yeah.
be pretentious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Imagine
Just-
snap.
Yeah.
Woman.
Come on. Give people the snaps now. Come on now.
So
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so the next question is: have you ever tried convincing someone who's straight to be with you? They are straight; they've never been, and you convince them with, you know what? Come days now. Come on now.
very interesting.
Yeah. Have you ever tried?
Yo. Kaningi. Many times,
It
bro.
works.
Yo, it works. Especially
Ah,
with money. Yeah.
How? So that's interesting. That's interesting. How? So how do you buy them or what? Now, gents, what's going on there?
I buy
Thatha
them.
nama-notes lapha emakhaya,
Okay,
I buy them.
how do you buy them?
Sazwana siba ne-agreement.
Okay, do you like inbox them? Because you know this guy is straight.
Yeah.
First of all,
Yeah.
we just inbox. Like I want you to take me through the process. So how you-
Okay.
step by step. You
Yeah,
understand?
yeah, keep my files.
Yeah, keep on my files. Come on now.
For instance,
Yeah.
I would text a guy, ne?
Yeah. Straight guy.
Yeah. Bese then yena uzongitshela ukuthi yabona nje mina phela ngimuntu loyo.
Yeah,
I don't
straight.
do that.
Yeah, I don't play. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So step number 2,
Yeah.
I would make sure ukuthi vele nakanjani.
Yeah.
Ongokwami ngiyakuthola.
Hey,
Ow.
Musa,
Usumandele ethuneni nakanjani.
Okay, how do you? Ish, I'm interested. I want to know details. Don't skip the steps now. You see, you skip it.
Yeah.
I get it. It's from inbox, ne?
Yeah.
And then after inbox, it's meetup, ne?
Yeah.
How do you convince them to? Because now this guy is straight, obvious.
As like I've said, ukuthi akekho guy straight. I'm for
Mm.
real. But I'm for real. Hey, vele yona izoba lokhani, izoba heavy in this room. Mara in the darkness, izoba ne lightness.
Okay, so you
lightness.
tell them, okay, meetup. You know what I'm saying? Something like a meetup. And then when you guys are in the meetup, so what? I want to know, like, you understand what's going on.
Sahlangana i-meet up. Then siyakuya or sedladleni. Yeah.
Apple.
Yeah. Chafula.
ayabaqeda wena.
Chafula fast. Like I've said, anginali muthu woman.
So
Icon.
have you ever dated someone like knowing they have someone?
Yeah.
Why?
Especially when it comes to a relationship of a girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey,
Ungena
lapho
lapho.
dangerous, Joe.
Ngena phakathi.
Phakathi.
Okay, now, let's make it a little bit much more spicy. Name ubani wamdlela. Name drop. Come on now.
Cousin.
Hey, yo. Wamdlela. Cousin yakho.
Yeah, Joe.
Why?
Why?
Yeah. You were interested in the guy? Or vele ufuna umlaya vele?
Yeah, I think
Let's say back then while we were young.
With who?
it's kind of yeah.
Cousin.
Wait, I'm confused.
See,
Your cousin is a guy or is a girl?
yeah.
Is a girl.
He's a boy. He's a guy, I mean.
Oh, nini bancane.
Yeah, back then. So
Wamscape.
lately, nje,
Yeah, but
we did try, but then, yeah,
He
we stop. But hey, oh, yo,
Mara.
wankhawathi ngathi mara wena wenzani
Funi
kahle
apula.
kahle
Yeah.
kahle wenzani.
Okay. So let's make it what is that one beer that you like but the society doesn't, you understand, doesn't approve of it? Let's say someone will say I like Black Label.
Yeah.
But now because the society doesn't, you understand, I don't drink. What is that one beer that you like? It can even be Chubuk. It's fine.
Castlelight, yes.
Nah,
Yeah, Castlelight, Joe.
it's the one.
Yo, ngiyafisa like we phuza
Nebantwini.
spotlight. Yeah.
Oh, mara nje uyibamba on the con.
Angazi mara ngiyafisa.
Nah.
Yeah, ngoba vele ngisheshe vele ngidakwe fast.
Ne.
Fast.
How many cots?
Yo.
Two. Yeah. Two.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mara ngimuntu wamama wine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is the biggest lie you've ever told your parents? Till today, they don't know. that you lied about it. They don't watch this. This is a safe space. Don't worry.
Sure.
Biggest lie you like. Ooh, they've never found out till today.
Ngile yakakazi.
You escape.
Yeah, phela ukhazi ngamvuka ngetext ke ngamsikela istek ngambhala umhahabo ngathi wena
Yeah.
sona so sivela kuphi.
Yo.
Now khazi ithatha screenshot usisa ku Brazil yo ithatha ifaka kuma oledi and maye ke ngomela ukuthi vele ngiphi ngathangazi.
Ukuthi vela. Yeah. So now the family knows, but they're not sure what you guys kept.
Yeah, abekho sure.
Would you scare your cousin again?
Yeah, if I get a child.
Cousin, run. Okay, so if you had an
I
advice,
told my wife it.
ne?
Yeah.
Okay, if you had an advice for your younger self, what would it be? An advice.
Yo. Ngithomela yo yabona nje nangizawo ne nangibuyawo ngihlanganele ngeso igay lapha elokhanje emakasana usimange igama lakhe yo yabona le yantwana shem ngiyifatela fandi 1
You scared me.
ufana nami so yena ngiyambona ukuthi vele unale yanto yangithola le ukuthi I can do it
Denial.
yeah
Okay.
as for especially when it comes to background yakhe yabo emndenini. So I like to say ebona like abaqalele kimi basiphathe grand bangapheli themba babe nethando bangazitsotsi ngawathatha amasimba
Hayibo.
and nayifikile kuyimunye
Hayibo. Okay.
education ngabhalela into
Very
engakhulumiyo
important.
Ne.
ngabhalela into engakhulumiyo. That's what my mom used to tell me. Yeah.
Okay.
Ngabhalela into engakhulumiyo, so when yenza ikhulume and you'll see results.
Okay, so in closing, what would you say what misconception do people have about you, like that you feel like you need to address? And
Yeah. Yo, the misconception ukuthi ubheki akakhona ukuyongomina yokuhlolela abangani bakhe because akanawo amakhiya ongena ngada. So I think ngitsheleli ke akuthola
Silalela.
hayi ukuthi amakhiya wekho akhona amakhiya just that ukuthi mina experience like into efanayo nasibabani. Yeah, based ku sexuality yami mina azange experience the way amajita experience ngakhona. So nami ngiyafisa ukuyada ngifane namanye amagay ngibone everything. Yeah.
okay. In closing, obviously, man, we need to have the word of the night. You understand? Motivate the people there at home watching, the people who also wanna be like you understand? Because obviously, as a person, there's always someone that looks at you and be like, no, one day if I could be like you, then I'll be nice. So motivate them.
Yo, Joe, I mean, I would consider myself in this way. I'm a go-getter.
Yes.
Make sure with no things amatamati pusha Joe, nangabe uyaqhina pusha Joe, wenza makeup pusha Joe, nangabe value uyacula pusha Joe, ungapheli themba. Yo, angifuna ukutshela manga, ayikho into engakhulumi.
Okay, a word of the day from me, a word of the night for me would be if you woke up,
Yeah.
just know that God wants you to do it. You understand what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
put God first in everything that you're doing. You understand? Put
Yeah.
God first. Everything that you're doing right now was already planned. You understand? Life is like a script.
Yeah.
Unkulunkulu uyibhalile phansi, wena you're just playing the role. You understand?
Yeah.
So just go for whatever that you want. Be free. You understand? If you wake up tomorrow, just know you are alive for a reason, and God put you there for a reason. You understand?
Yeah.
Put God first. That's the word of the night. So man, if you made it far till the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You understand? Comment down below which part of the video was your favorite. You understand? Subscribe, guys. I cannot stress this enough. It doesn't take away anything from you. Come on, guys. Help us grow. You understand?
Yeah.
Subscribe for more content. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Subscribe.
Before we leave, you gotta say KKFM #Vugandota, but you have to say it with NH. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. KKFM Hashtag Vugandota. Say. There it is.
KKFM, Vugandota.
Danke.
Vugandota.